Hello friends, today I am going to tell you very important question answer related to HVAC. So must watch this video till end. The question is, what is refnet and why is it used? So friends, I am going to tell you what is refnet. Refnet is a Y-shaped copper connector used to split refrigerant into multiple branches. And why is it important and why is it used? Because refnet maintain equal refrigerant distribution and it reduce the pressure loss and maintain system balancing for indoor units. That is why we use refnet joints. This is also called Y joints. So friends, thanks for watching. Have a great day.